Hi everyone, I'm going to make a pair of earrings today. It's just a simple pair. This is for beginners out there. We're using head pins. And they are, I think they're like 45s, I'm not sure. They're about 2 inches long. Maybe 1 inch and 3/4. So these are 6mm beads. Then these are 8mm spacers. So far we've got a 6mm bead and a spacer on. And these, I think, are 10mm. Nope, they're 8. They're 8mm. So I think these are 6. I better make sure. Yeah. So yeah, those are 8. And you can use this millimeter gauge. You just have to find who's selling it. Put another spacer on. And put another of the pink beads. Alright, we're going to do the other one. And my wire is not the straightest in the world. I worked this morning, so thought I'd pop on here and do a quick little earring tutorial for newcomers. And that's all you do is put it on like that. And then this is a stiff wire. It don't bend. I've got some that just bend. If you have it for it to bend, you'll have to look at one of my other videos on how to make the loop around it. But these, I'm gonna bend back, then I'm gonna snip it. About maybe a little less than a 1/2 inch. So I'm gonna bend back while I'm holding the bottom and snip it a little less than a 1/2 inch. And then I am going to take my round nose and just work it around till I touch the other side. There. Now, see, anybody can do these. Even a young girl could do them, or a boy could make them for their mother or something. There's a lot of men that make jewelry. So, and we just take it. We twisted that one open. You twist it, you do not pull it apart. And twist it back and make sure it's closed. Just make sure. And look, make sure you don't have a gap there, because if you do on either place, your earring can come off. I'll show you better on this one. Hold it like that and just... This one opening in a different spot. I had some that would open on the front and back. Oh no, it opened at the same spot. Just twist it open. You'll get some that twist open on the front. You'll get some that are sideways. It just depends. And you just twist it back. Make sure, go in between everything and make sure it's together. And there you have a pair of earrings. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.